So today I'm going to show you everything this bowling bag offers. It comes with ventilation for your shoes, especially if your shoes are stinky. You can put your shoes here, which is perfect. Here are room for some shoes. And these is a pretty big size too, so it would fit pretty well. Then to put the bowling ball itself, it has this perfect set here. So this is how it fits. Nice and snug. You can also fit an extra bag in here. Fill it up with rags or any of your bowling equipment. And as you can see here, there's also another bag that you can fill it with clothes and stuff, and then you can just take it around.